Hey everybody, this is Jeremy from HTL. I have a little short video for you on a box generating site that I used to make my display that I posted up on Facebook this week. I just made another one, a bigger one. So I thought, you know what? Let me go in and show you how I made what I made to suit my needs. And then you can make any changes you want, obviously, to however you need to display your wares, what you make, and you know, it rotates. It's got a Lazy Susan underneath the base and all of that, which mine doesn't right now. It's not going to be here till next week, but I thought I would just make the video and show you the box, how I set up the panels and everything, and how I display my particular items that are going on this box. So let's get into it, and we'll go right straight over to the box generating site and do a thing. This is Maker Case. So let's jump into this. We know I want 6 sides. We're going to change that to number 6. Inside diameter is going to be 15. The inside height is going to be 15. And I'm going to do a custom thickness, which is going to be 0.20. Hit OK. For millimeters, I believe that's going to be 4.80 millimeter thickness, but we're doing this in inches because I don't know what the millimeters for 15 inches is right now. We want to close, and we want a finger joint, and we want to do, there we go, 1 3/4 inches. We'll zoom in on this. Zoom out a little bit, drag it around. So we got 2. Perfect. We're going to download those box plans. And this is what we get. Right here. It gives us all the stuff. Now, I don't need all the labels. These are pretty much exactly all the same pieces. I don't need the labeling. So we're going to download the DXF. That's up here now. So let's go to Lightburn. Boom, there's our box right there. I'll change it into a cut layer. So these 2 can go off to the side. And I honestly only need two of them, because the material that I have, I can only get 2 at a time, and I'm just going to repeat this 3 times. So let's all right, so here's what I'm putting on mine. Keychains. Also, I'm putting these on my air fresheners, which have these cutout slot made out of Kydex for snapping into the vent cover. So let's go back into Lightburn. So what we're going to do is we're going to get a circle. Okay. I click this, and we're going to change that to 6.35, which is 1/4 inch. And then select this, come down to the grid array, and let's see, cancel. We'll go to inches, and then we'll go back here because this is easier. So we want center to center, center to center, 1. 1. Oops, not 11. All right, we'll just do 1. Okay. So we'll move this off to the side. So how many do we have here? Apparently I have shift by half on. There we go. Turn that off. Let's go 8. Maybe. We'll see if that works. All right, so we can't go all the way down to the bottom because, as you can see, I have about 3 inches of hanging that I need to be able to do. So I want about 3.5. We're going to make a box. Let's go. Oops. Let me get you back in the light burn and show you what I'm doing. All right. So I need about 3.5 inches. So what I have done is I've made a box. Get it on the tool path. Let's do blue to keep it apart. I don't need it that much. And I need, oh, that's about perfect. So let's go 3 3/4. Actually, just, you know, for whatever. And we're going to put this right here because that is where the base is going to be. All right. So there's that. Now we can move that down, kind of split it in the difference there. And now I want to try and center it. So I'll hit my shift button and come over here and hit center. So we're going to duplicate that. We're going to move it over. Hit shift and center. Perfect. Okay. Now I'm going to group these so they don't move. Now, for these, let's go back into Lightburn. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here. We're going to get our box. And this is going to go to millimeters because I know that that's what I measured it in. So 1.6 by 11.8. Boom, right there. Okay. Now, let's duplicate that one. Slide it over. Now this one is actually going to be 2 millimeters. And we're going to duplicate that. We're going to get another little box. We're going to come over here. We're going to make that 21 millimeters. And we're going to go outside to outside. Right there. So we can get rid of that. So this one and this one, put on the same plane, group it, collect that one, put it on the same plane, and center it. Perfect. Now I will group all 3 of these, put these on the cut path, and I am going to take these over here. And line this up so that these 2 here are centered over this the best that I can. So let's do another little trick here. Turn it on the blue layer. That's about right. Now this should snap in. Right there. So that's where that is. Okay. I want one here, here, and here. So we're going to duplicate that. Push that over. You know what? Maybe I want to do this. Yeah, I'm going to move this over that way. And then duplicate that. Probably put one right here in the middle, like so. Select this. Go to inches, hit our grid array. And we should be center to center 1 inch. And a 1, 2, 3 on the 4th one. So let's do 4. 4. Okay. I don't know. Stop it. I think it's this one right here. I might be able to do 3. Let's back that off. Let's check 3 out. Yeah, let's do that. Perfect. All right. Cool. Duplicate that one. Slide it over. That looks good. We're going to group that. We're going to group that. And there is what I need done. I don't need to do anything more. I don't need to fix this. I don't need to do anything with these. I don't need to do anything with these. I can just put these up here, get them out of the way. And I have a template for my next box. So now that that's done, I can leave those up there and I can arrange pieces and parts onto that. So say I have these little shelves here. Yep. And of course, this isn't designed to go into something like that, but I can design something underneath here. And then I have these little shelves and then I can just pop them right onto the, right onto those walls. So let me go get that and I'll show you what I got going. So this is my box. I'll cut out the top, bottom, however you want to do it. It's not painted yet, obviously, which it will be, and then glued together. It's not glued together right now because this was my test fit. I did make sure that these fit perfectly fine. Put that one down there. All right, so the reasoning that I did the center one a little bit skinnier is because of these. They only have one. And I wanted it to go in because if I put it here, it's really floppy. If I put it here, then the single, it's in there. It's not coming out. Also, now, these little hooks. These slide right into there, and they're in there, and they're pretty stout. So and now I can have all of my things hanging, mixed around. Put them wherever I want. Now, typically I'll have these on one side and then you'll rotate it. And then I'll have all of these on another side and then rotate it. And I'll put more air fresheners over here, do whatever. But, well, there was like 2 minutes right there. But I clipped it by accident and it's gone. So here we are. We're at the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Hit that like, comment, subscribe. And as you know, I don't do a ton of videos. I try to do videos I think will be helpful and beneficial to what we do. And if you guys are doing craft shows and stuff like that, that's why I put this video together. Links in the description for the Rotary LaserMATIC. I have my affiliate link. It would help the channel out tremendously, help support what I do here. If you are interested in buying a machine like this or any of their accessories, just use my link. Go over to their website. I get a small little kickback. It doesn't cost you anything extra. There'll be links in the description for the Lazy Susan that I'm going to use. Links in the description for a couple of videos that I think are pertinent to the display thing. The keychain video, I'll link that. You guys are killing that thing. That's awesome. Like 1,350 views right now. All right. Much appreciated. You guys have a good weekend.